Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Pkin token. Ticker symbol is PKIN. Now this token is trending number 7 on Dex Screener right now. They just had their TGE, their token generation event. The pair was actually just created 19 hours 53 minutes ago on Raydium, brand new token, and they already got a giant, huge central exchange listing, huge 24-hour trading volume. This token is up 49,066%, huge market cap. I mean, this is a very big project, and we're going to go over the information on the Pkin token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. So you can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Pkin token. So today, this token was actually just created 19 hours ago, and they already have a 24-hour trading volume of $76.6 million. Their market cap, $51 million, and that is also their fully diluted valuation. Now, these numbers are going to fluctuate because this token is so popular right now. They've had over 111,000 transactions. They're up over 50,000%. Token price is about 5.24 cents per token. $6.3 million worth of liquidity in Raydium, and 95.94% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. Now, if you're looking to get this token here, it just got listed on a very big central exchange. It was just announced that the Pkin token will be listed today, and is listed now, so it's available right now on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search PKIN, which is the ticker symbol for this token, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So it was just announced 2 hours ago that it got listed on Mexc Global in the trading zone. So check it out. Link in the description box down there. Also in the description box, I just opened up a brand new Twitter for this channel. You could join the Twitter and stay updated on other things having to do with crypto, like new token listings and things like that on my Twitter that I just opened. So check that out in the description box. If you want to follow Pkin Token's Twitter, I'm going to put that up right in the corner of the screen here at Pkin.fun. So Pkin.fun, which I also believe is their webpage here. So their webpage, Telegram, Twitter, all of that is linked on Dex Screener. Pkin.fun is the webpage. You could find a GitHub over there. You could find a pitch deck. You could find all sorts of links here. There's a application. It says launch the application. And their Telegram is at Pkin.fun as well, just like the Twitter. And that is the community chat Telegram that you could join. It says building the new meta for free token launches. So I'm assuming this is going to be very similar to Pump.fun. And they're calling it Pkin.fun. There's been a lot of other kind of Pump.fun spin-offs because of how well Pump.fun did and is doing. And their Telegram here has over 4,000 members, over 1,500 of them are online. That's going to be a great place to join the discussion with other community members, talk about this project, things like that, if you want to learn more. And yeah, so they have here their pitch deck. It says, launch tokens, set milestones, earn revenue. Solana is the leading blockchain for meme coins with over $10 billion worth of meme coins in circulation, solidifying its influence in the cryptocurrency market. Now, the token launchpad market, it says Pump.Fun, has established itself as the leading token launchpad with an impressive average of 15,000 tokens being launched daily. That's crazy. I thought about maybe I'd launch my own token eventually for the channel, you know, but then you see all these numbers like 15,000 tokens launched a day, and it's like, are people really gonna care that much? You know, maybe in the future I'll think about it, but that is just an insane amount of tokens, and all these celebrities launching their tokens and things like that. It'd have to be somewhat special. There have to be some kind of incentive for me to launch a token. But if you guys, you know, are interested in that, let me know in the comments. But yeah, so they deployed so far 2,906,547 tokens on Pump.Fun so far. That is an insane amount of tokens. And yeah, so creator versus launchpad revenue, they go over there and they show, you know, the users' comments, how active they are on there. It says the problem, current token launch platforms prioritize their own profit, leaving creators with minimal earnings. The lack of gamification and engagement strategies causes 99% of tokens to be sold off quickly after launch. So no creator earnings, no milestones, pump and dumps, no gamification. So Pkin aligns creators and users' incentives with fee sharing, pre-built staking, and milestone-driven growth to enhance the token launch project. Creators can design milestones, triggering fund releases based on the plugin strategy, which encourages engagement and long-term participation. So gamified token launches, milestone rewards, Pkin plugin, shared fees, creator-centric, and focused on shared success. On Pkin, token creators earn SOL on every trade. A portion of the trading fees goes directly to the creator and can be claimed anytime through the Pkin dApp. So they're staking. Each token launched on Pkin comes packaged with staking. The token holders can stake their tokens to earn real revenue in SOL with every trade. When creating a token, you have the option to enable milestones and specify your goals for each milestone. Feel free to get creative, consider live streaming the process and setting exciting milestones. On each milestone, when it's achieved, you unlock SOL that you can use however you wish. I mean, I could actually try this out and launch a token on Pkin.Fun and see what it's like here. It seems interesting, but I mean, Pump.Fun is kind of getting a little played out at this point. So it says, when creating a token, you can enable a plugin to enhance functionality as the token reaches specified market cap milestones. The plugin triggers payouts based on your chosen strategy, incentivizing growth and engagement. So it's kind of a cool idea because basically they're incentivizing the developer to stick with the project. If you're a well-known crypto influencer, I'm not like, you know, on Andrew Tate level or anything like that, but, you know, if people know who you are, you're more incentivized also not to sell off your tokens. You know, some people do anyways and take their profits, and then people get upset. But this is more of a way, it seems like this, you know, if everything's accurate, what they're saying anyways, it seems more of a way to incentivize everyone to be happy, the developers to not leave the project, because you see so many CTOs these days. And you know, the holders, you know, are probably thinking the developer is more likely to stay with the project if it's on Pkin.Fun as opposed to other web pages. So there could be some good features here for, you know, Pkin.Fun. We'll have to see how it plays out. This token is only 20 hours old. It's trending number 7. You can find it on Mexc Global right now. Go check it out. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Check out all the referral codes down there, especially that MEXC Global one where this project just got listed, this token just got listed. Check out my Twitter. A bunch of followers just followed my Twitter today, so shout out to Bobby, 6K, Ali, Mosin, I'm Still Alive, Yamiz, 1ST, Chang Hang, sorry if I butchered your names, Toshi Yuki, Jonathan, Ku. Shout out to all you people that just followed my brand new Twitter that I just made basically yesterday or the day before, I can't remember, but brand new. Go check it out in the description box. Check out MEXC, check out pumpkin.fun. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.